So how many of you joined from mobile? Anybody joined from mobile? Anybody joined from mobile? Guys? Or all from laptop or desktop? Binita, you joined from mobile or laptop?
Sir, laptop.
Okay, great. Can you put a reminder in the group, Bini? Just in the MVP group. I think I missed to put a reminder today. Give me a second, guys. I'll just put a reminder.
Sir, you have actually texted.
Mhm. Okay, folks. Good. We are on just 5 minutes up. So thanks everybody for taking the time. My name is Amit Garg. I'm based out of Bangalore in India. So I'll be leading for today's session. I'll be sharing. So somebody who are new to PML, guys who are new to product management learning community or PML school, just say yes, I am new in the chat. So at least I'm aware. I'll give a short introduction for them, very short, not take too much time because we plan to invest time on learning the things and then discovering what is in our upcoming AI challenge in December, right? That's the overall agenda. So anybody new to PML or they already know about PML? No. PML community school. We started with community and then we start building in terms of programs and learning getting together. Okay, and now I'm getting feedbacks also on WhatsApp also. Okay, I'll share on link. So what we'll do, we'll quickly jump on, in terms of understanding. So who are new to product management here? Yes, new to PM, new PM. If you are new to PM, you can write new PM. Okay, there are two folks who are new to product management. Abhishek is there. Okay, yeah, and Dominic is there. What about others, guys? Who is new to product management as a as a role? If you're even transitioning, also you have some experience, but you are planning to plunge into product management, you can write new PM. Okay, Ajit is there. Good, guys. So, guys, it has to be an interactive session. So, a lot of exercise, the way we do it, and primarily my focus is always that we discuss and do it, right? Because I'll be giving a lot of tasks to you to do, and I'll be showing you how to do, and then not new to PM, new to PML. Good, Abhishek. Welcome, everybody. It's good, you guys investing time. 18 of us, I think 15 plus. Yeah, 15 plus are always good to have. We have always small cohorts and small learners who are builders. We called it builders primarily, right? So let me quickly jump on who are aware of PML, but give me 1 second. I'll present my screen and give a snapshot. So at least we are in sync of what is PML, what is PML doing, who are the people behind that, so how we are driving the initiative. So I'll just present. Okay. Okay. Great. Mhm. So guys, again, please open your laptops. Some of the AI tools we have to uh, log in and build it, because today we'll make prototype PDFs. A lot of things will build on prototypes, as well as our other areas we'll discuss today. So welcome again, everybody. Let me quickly give a snapshot about what is PML school, right? How we are building this all together. So as we see, on the screen, it's a community-led driven, because a lot of knowledge resources first are shared by community. We have around repository of 200 books, and we've been sharing with folks who are on demand, and monthly it is also shared, who are registered members. I'll share the link of the registration. If you are still not registered, monthly you will get couple of insights, books, case studies, right, written by our product mentors, and books are shared by community. But our main focus is on learning. So you build the products, you launch the products here. Yes, always it's important to showcase on your portfolio. If you don't have a portfolio, we believe in building the portfolios, right? So build a hands-on product, launch products, so you have more confidence on your skill sets, what level you have. If you are a 5 year, 10 years, even 15-year folks are joining us, because product management is very wide. So we want you to innovate, right, and create your impact in the digital arena. That's our baseline, how the PML school started last year, right? So primarily we focus on a lot of areas, right, but main thing is our hands-on sprint, right, using AI technologies and even soft skill building. And we have one-to-one mentorship program, and now it's a global community. On LinkedIn around 8,000 folks are there who are following us, right? And now we have 250 alumni in terms of program. We have earlier only one program, and we focus on all the areas in our PML domain expertise, emerging technologies. You need to understand the business model, you need to understand the product strategy, business strategy, and a lot of people working skills, and your portfolio building, right? So this is all together at one place. If you're building in your product management career, you need to have all, right? So, and these are the basic skill set. I've been mentoring from last 2 years, right? So but I started with PML around it's been around one more than a year. So these are the basic skill set everybody should have, right? If you're transitioning or if you're new, whatever, right? So business sense is very important, experimentation is very important. Most of the things people forget, that project management, right? Even in product management is required, right? So these are the mentor. That's my profile. I have been to industry from last 22 years and around 14 plus years into product management. So I have worked with around retail, supply chain, e-commerce. Right, that's my core domain, and I have been leading the products in different geographies. I have worked in US, I have worked in Europe for a long time. Right, so from past 5 years, I'm into India. So I was head in all that product, and I did my master's program in retail and supply chain. And I have got some certifications, and these all very well, right? And plus, I'm a gold medalist in terms of my education and my master thesis. So I have done my master thesis. I got lucky to have a gold medal. I'm mentor on IIT Madras ECEL also. I'm mentor on Reliance Foundation PML. I do it, the founding team member plus the lead mentor and trainer, and I teach management students there as a corporate mentorship program. And this is a grad guide in Europe. I was earlier there a mentor, right? So that's my portfolio. We have other guest mentors also, those who are joining earlier to us. Vinita is based out of US. She's also one of our mentor earlier. Abhishek is also a mentor. He's based out of Bangalore. So we have a lot of mentors who keep on coming as the program happens, right? So a lot of learners are there, right? So a lot of learners. So this is the basic introduction, right? Across India, US, Canada, Europe, UK, right? Africa. So most of the learners. So that's a snapshot about PML. I just don't want to dive too much too into that, right? I'll take a break here and stop my screen. If anybody has any questions, or we are good, guys. Anybody has any questions about PML? Anything you want to ask uh, before I pull at my other areas of presentation? So we are good, right? Good, guys. Thanks everybody. Thanks everybody for joining. So let me quickly pull that to your agenda, what we are trying to do. So now, guys, let me ask you a question. uh, those who are told new to product management, what I see, only new to PM, only one new to PM. Okay, so three folks we have. So out of all 20 folks, let's say one or two AI tools are also there in the chat, might be, yeah, because one or two AI tools sometimes punch in there. But let's say, so who are writing the PRDs, who has done the PRD, yes, you can just put in the text PRD, yes. If you have done PRD earlier, just write PRD, yes. If you have not done, write PRD, no. I want to understand, what is your experience, what you are building. Yes, obviously three people have that role, that are new to PM, they will not be there. Yeah. Hi, Chintan. Hi, Chintan. Thanks for joining. PRD, no. Good, good, good. PRD, yes, yes. Good, good. Guys, keep on. It is an interactive session, guys. I need to understand why you are writing PRD, right? Why you are, using it. Why people are not using it. We'll discuss everything. We'll try to take in depth into it, right? So, objective. What is the objective of investing time in evening, right? One of the objectives also that we get hands on, we learn from other mistakes, right? Rather than me driving always wrong, and people not getting into the that area, I should learn from my peer cohorts. That's the gathering of folks that we have. Yes, PRD, but open for no more. Yes, definitely, definitely. Nasruddin, thanks guys. So it's very important. Yes, see, I will show you the detailed PRD, my old PRD 10 years back also sometime. But it's better, so we start with how we are having a current experience. No PRD, oh, Dominic is saying. Okay, guys, please pour in more feedback. Okay, and second questions regarding to the PRD. So how many people are doing the wireframing, right? Or the prototypes, right? Write W or wireframe, yes. Prototypes, yes or no, anything. So how many product manager, product owner, business analyst, any designation, right? Designation does not matter in the product management domain. If people are worried about, they can be senior consultant, principal consultants, but just write wireframe or W. Yes, anybody has done wireframe prototype? Yes and no, guys. So you can write yes, the wireframe, yes. As a product manager, you can write W yes, W yes, W no, right? So this will make me understand that yes, you guys are doing it or you are not doing it, right? Wireframe, no. Okay, good. Sometimes yes. So yes. So guys, why I'm asking, because in these AI times, or we can say agentic AI times, now AI time has gone already, is on top of us now. People are building agents of everything. So it's very important to do a lot of experimentation, right? And get validated your hypothesis, everything, right? So that's why wireframing is a very friendly tool. And now you have a lot of AI tools to create prototypes, working high types products. But I was working on TCS, now laid off. So want to know if we can launch course, etc. Want to if we can launch courses, etc. So want to know what is that, Dominic? I could not understand. What?
Basically, just wanted to ask you whether, see, I'm into training. I'm not working anymore. I was with TCS. I got laid off. So just wanted to check with you that the object, I mean, just want the onset itself. What is the objective of this? Is it like some sort of a product launch or building online products in terms of teaching material and training material? Does it help in that, or doesn't help?
See, we have a program. We have two programs. Very good question. We have two programs that we run. One is I will show you in detail. That is a 4 weekend program. Every programs we run on weekends. For example, this is a vibe coding PRD program. Quickly, let me share the screen so everybody understand the objective. I was thinking to go deep, but let's understand the wireframing. Who has not done wireframing? No wireframing. Yes, good wireframing sometimes. So for wireframing, I just got 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest you are not doing wireframing at all, guys. If you are new to wireframing, Bini, Vinita, who are guys, please pour in your answer. Don't wait, right? It's very important to understand, because you will learn the quick tips here, right? So because right now, from last 1 year, I've been to consulting mode. I'm consulting independently. Figma, Balsamic, okay, good. I have tried. Okay, so tried is good, but yes, in real time you are using is very important, right? So coming to the question why we are here primarily. So we have two programs. So this program primarily is for the program which we are launching in coming week, right? So let me quickly show what is the program. So you will be doing hands-on, but today also will build something. So you will take it something for your portfolio rather than just watching, right? So that's why I ask everybody who is still not on laptop. So one of the program which is their launchpad, right? So let me show the program itself. So this is our program. This is AI monthly, challenges. We run each weekends, each month one program, and the classes happens on what we call in weekends. So we have different programs in terms of the in terms of areas, right? For example, we have product tear down, we have MVP, we have product growth, we have product strategy. So each month you can take participate in each of them, right? So and this month we are having this PRD and tear down sort of PID, and plus working on the wireframes, working on the entire output discovery area, right? That falls under market research idea here. So that's why we have different programs. You can take it. Another program, we have a program which is entire 8 weeks. That is also part of our in terms of portfolio, where we are building entire product management. People who are planning to move to the product management in terms of AI. So we have AI powered program, which helps you to understand using AI tools entire product journey from, and you build the product actually in that, right? It's not about just seeing the lectures. You use the tools and you are building. It's an 8 week program. batch is already started. Next batch will be in Jan, right? So that's the short answer. So now quickly jump on. Today our agenda is primarily using the vibe coding, tools and all that, and then building the products, right? So guys, so who all agree this is product management? So I've just put it for everybody who are new or those who are existing, right? To make the context right. It is not that everybody is aware. So these are the building blocks. If you are, this is very much highly understandable, right? So PM is just not writing features, right? Now your product management has to go to the program thinking, right? How the programs are built, how the build platforms are built, right? You have to think from a different angle. So it is from product to it is going to platform. That thinking has to be changed. So it is, yes, obviously it is understanding the users. We define the problems. We understand the product strategy. We have the team alignment, because without people, without team working in different geographies, different countries, and in different states also, region, language, it depends a lot, and continuous iteration. That's why PM is owing the success. Those who are new to product management, it will help them. So that's why I always start with basics. So it will give you an underline. So guys, why do products fail? This always I ask in my presentation. So anybody tell me why products fail, guys? Anybody put in chat, or anybody wants to say why product fail?
Maybe
Even
because
yeah,
maybe because it's not solving the problem what it is supposed to solve and not satisfying the end user's need.
definitely that is one of the user. Yeah, guys, any other speak up, guys? You can open your mic. This is the time we
Might be the execution is not in the correct way. Product is
correct.
good, but the execution is not the correct way. So it has not, reach full out of their limit.
Correct, correct. So, any other guys, anybody that wants to say before I jump on? Somebody? So, guys, this is the primary reasons. This is one of the research which came it. So, this is not generated by me or any AI tool, frankly. This is given by the research, and I'll show you the research in coming slides. So, not finding the product market fit is very important. Overall, reliance on customer feedback. So, it's very important not to rely on the only customer feedback or customer discovery, voice of the customer. A lot of products are failing, right? There's some innovation books. If somebody is looking for product innovation, please connect me. I am working on product innovation these days. So failing products is very important. Lack of patience in team, co-founder, founder, CTO, and all that stuff is very important. So you need to have these skills, and you can take a printout and put in your desk. I always says, so it will help you to have a look. I'm not doing this. Running behind the wrong problem, right? Going pricing, going forward with product pricing. So wrong pricing intention, and so there are a lot of you can see parameters are there which can make you feel right, mail failure, all that. So it's important to see the research and figure out, see top reasons. So it is given by Statistia as a recent report, 2024, and December it came actually. It's been a year now. But if you see the top 4 reasons, right? No market need. See, and we are looking to be a product manager, or we are already a product manager or a product owner, run out of cash. A lot of companies are lay off because of cash problem, not the right team. See see lot of pricing cost, poor product. I will say only top 3 4 if you see out of research, no market need. So currently, that's the major area. A lot of products are startups are failing, a lot of even mature products are failing because they are now out of market. They are not competing to the market needs. User has different need, right? So what makes a digital product successful today? Okay, we know these are the reasons for failure. So guys, I'll give a Zoho example, but I will ask you, what makes digital product successful today, guys? Anybody? Put in chat. If you are not talking, you can chat also, guys. Yes, Smile.
I think maybe a product which can convey that the problems are going to be addressed, or at least giving that satisfaction that the person who's going to purchase that particular product is going to be meet his requirement, or
Okay,
given that kind of an assurance.
got it. And what about others? What about products make you successful? You want to be a product manager? Just put in chat. My product will be successful by this good user experience. Yes, user experience. Okay, very good, guys. Put in chat if you want to add or you don't want to speak up, use chat. This is a Google product, we should use it. Use emojis, use chats. Very good. Introduction to product and right time, very good. Who has written? Oh, Abhishek, cool. This is a very good point. That's also, I will put a, yeah, I will use emojis here. Very good point. You guys are very good. Or user experience, very, any only 3 points, guys. Please speak up, because that will set our context. Why I'm setting this, because when you are into product management also, when you are talking to your stakeholder, it's very important with your scrum master, other people, your stakeholder, CXO team, right? Is very important to set the context also, right? So setting the context also is important with your team, right? Why my product will be successful, why I'm telling this roadmap is very good. Go ahead, guys. So it's important, proper market positioning. Cool. Nasruddin, very good. These points are valid, very much valid. And now quickly jump on, and then we'll do a lot of hands-on exercise when we'll have little bit context, right? So why, what products make successful is primarily the reason that if you see the Zoho has been global company. It's more than around 180 countries. If you see Zoho, and Zoho is not a product, right? Zoho is a platform, right? So they have a clear target customer, laser focus positioning. So sharp segmentation, sharp product market fit. That is your takeaway. If you're trying to make your product successful, guys, keep these keep these 10 pointers to your kitty. I do have a sharp segmentation. What feature I am doing, it is a sharp, it is my product market fit, right? It is a predictable growth. If there will be growth in next 3 years, 2 years, no, don't do that product, don't build that feature at all, right? So Zoho is doing this. See, Zoho has global SMB segment. They are enterprising. So everybody knows Zoho. Anybody don't know Zoho? So Zoho is a software which is a primarily B2B. They are a SaaS software. They have a lot of CRM, HR, finance productivity tools in their portfolio. So there is a platform, and see, they are a platform, as I told you, platform and ecosystem strategy instead of isolated tools. So they don't have 10 tools differently. So they have entirely integrated 55 plus apps in one platform. So you can use one. So as a customer, it's very important to to have multiple apps. But when their ecosystem is allowing them, it's very used to make customers stick to that platform, right? So long-term roadmap. So they are not investor pressure. They have seed funding. They are investing there from their own company earning. So you can prioritize customer value rather than vanity features, right? So that's why customer centric product is done by Zoho. So it's very important to see the real problems and see how we solve them, right? And you make a faster iteration, faster loop, right? So, and globally, yes, they are into global companies, so they see all the compliance, GST, GDPR, and other languages, and their UI UX is very good products they have. You should use it. If you have not done a product tear down, guys, please do a tear down. I suggest for Zoho, take one app and do it, right? And how AI is changing role in 25. That is very important. And I'll say now we are in the end of 25. It's 26 only, right? Already the wave has started. From last 1 year, I can see that use of AI in product, auto market research, fast ideation. Today we'll see this only, market research and data-driven decision making. So how AI is impacting the product managers, so business analysts. So everybody is getting impacted, right? So do you think the AI will replace product managers, guys? If everything is done by product AI, what the product manager will do you think we need product manager, or this role will be gone if everything is done by product manager here and product owner?
I would say the demand of product manager will be increased, who know the AI and who can use AI effectively.
But here AI is doing everything. If you see most of the, say, I will say more than 60% work is done by AI, right? So what is the role of any product manager or product owner or any business analyst? So how they will succeed? What you will do that you will succeed with AI, right? I think that's the right question we should ask. Correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah, so any technology coming in, for example, I think 5 years back, blockchain came in, right? Still, blockchain, some use cases were very good, some use cases did not succeed. Now, but in supply chain, if I see personally being from supply chain background, blockchain is very successful. A lot of, in property, real estate management, blockchain is very successful. Same way, if you are taking AI, how AI will help? You have to develop the skill sets. It will not replace you. So what are all the skill sets? So because we are touching base today AI, so that's very important to develop your product thinking, strategic thinking, right? So guys, this is the skill set that AI cannot replace PMs. So you need to have a customer empathy, you need to have insights, how people are thinking, how things are changing. You need to have soft skills, cross functional leadership, and you influence the people to take it. Storytelling, data storytelling, right? Decision making under uncertainty, ethical and social judgment. So these are all skills that you have to focus. Don't focus on too much on tech, right? Tech might be replaced after some time, right? That can be a lot of automation tools already coming in. A lot of companies which I am talking, they are telling Amit, this of the work is already automated. Product manager. Now we are merging the role of these guys. They are merging the role of product owner and business analyst. They don't want different product owner, different business analyst. In some companies, all three, the role is done by one person, and work is there already. Work is there. So that's why I'm telling, when we are discussing AI tools, we should understand that AI should not replace me, right? I should leverage AI, but I should learn these skill sets to keep floating in the market, right? To keep floating in the job. So guys, this always tell that don't master too many skills, right? Focus on some of the skills or one or two skills, right? So product management is very big, very big. You will not be able, if I will give a roadmap, I have given two roadmap to so many people, but I will always suggest focus on some of the skills. So that's why we will see today a couple of skills: AI augmented PRD, prototype from no code here, from faster prototype, and on validation and lean experimentation, right? Uh, so that's the important part of it to get into it, right? So these are the programs, as I told you, you can take participate in any of the program each month. In January we'll do the product tear down, right? And then we'll run the product roadmap. So it will, each month it will have a new flavor, and you can join 3 programs at one time also, right? And as you see, market is evolving AI tools. These are some of the AI tools which are very good, right? And I have used most of them. At least I will say 80-90% I have used all of the tools here. So that's why I put a chart here, frankly, which is helping you to the market research. Why perplexity? Because it gives you a lot of links of the real research, original links, right? Cloud documentation is very important. uh, and chat PRD is very cool, guys. Use this tool to chat with your documents, to your research reports. Now there are a lot of research reports by McKinsey and all that. You should chat with them and figure out the key insights, right? So before jumping into it, I thought to give a snapshot and understanding with how it will help. So you have to synergize both prototype, AI, and validation. So that's why it's very important, right? And now coming to the PRD building, as I told, some of the people have already built the PRD. So we have to get into the way of using the tools, right? So we will do a AI lab together right now, and we will see how we'll discover the real problems with AI faster, right? Then we'll build some quick PRD, and then we'll try to do a prototype also if time permits, right? And then we'll try to strengthen our PRD. Like for senior stakeholder, we don't want a big PRD, right? We want one page or something, right? So we will should have that outlook also from the stakeholders perspective, because my PRD is not for me as a problem. My PRD is for other people, right? Who can believe on that, who can we can take a call from that PRD, right? So that's why, guys, this simple framework I have put. There are a lot of other frameworks also, but product management frameworks always help to start thinking, asking the right questions, right? Product manager should listen more, right? Most of the people are talking too much, I have seen, but I'm giving you my personal suggestion. Start asking a lot of questions, then listen, make a note, and said a thanks to your stakeholder, whoever give you feedback, and try to put everything at one place which you can connect with AI. For example, in Confluence, you can just put a page of the link of the Confluence and start chat with that page, right? After that, it will start giving you insights. So that's why it's very important to find out the problem, get into insights, then only your requirements will come in terms of your roadmap, in terms of your user pain points, whatever, right? In terms of how you will do MVP, or you will directly build the product, right? So start thinking from problem and then insights, using AI tools, and then finally building the product, right? So in problem, what we are doing, see, in problem, what we are trying to face, who is facing the issues, right? So that's the main thing. Who is the people? What friction, what problem, what challenges we have right now? in particular domain. And guys, domain knowledge is very important, right? Because if you are into particular, for example, you are into fintech domain, and domain, some of the players you are only following some of the top players, for example, Paytm in India, right? Or Razorpay in India, right? But you need to look not only the top players, you need to entire domain, how it is evolving, what other domains are impacting on that, right? A lot of compliance will change. So that's why what friction exists, right? Why now? Why you are trying to solve this product now? This is new for me, or this is new for user? Might be user knows that feature at all, or they are new to that feature. You need to figure out why we are doing right now, and that's why this is the question will answer a lot of to your stakeholder, right? So then you build your insights, and finally, you start building your product. So where you find requirement, what the product will do, what will be input output flow, and clearly then it has to be AI ready. Always think from the perspective, even your company is not starting the AI till now. Think from AI ready perspective. Is my product ready? AI. Do I need a lot of data? No. A lot of data is not required even for AI, right? So you need to have a clearable, testable product ready, right? So that is the framework. So good PRD start with good thinking, not features, right? Mostly people start building of solution, feature, and that. I'll say start thinking of problem, insights, and then requirement, right? So any questions till now? Here we'll jump on the on the AI tools before jumping on tails. Any questions on the framework here? Problem inside requirements. Anybody has any questions here? Yes or no? I'm audible, guys. You are there.
No, sir.
Okay, good, good. Okay, so guys, what we'll do? See, primarily we had detailed, identify user segments and their friction points, problems, right? Define the concrete problem, not the solutions, right? That's why the problem is there. Why now? Understanding market urgency, right? Some features you are building, you are too early to the market, right? So you need to see the timing of the market. 2026, what are the new things? Guys, anybody knows as a product manager, what are the new things? Which are the top 5 things in 2026? Will we change your roadmap? I am working on a company product roadmap, and they are very much scared what is coming in 2026. So you should understand how the market dynamics is changing. Where there will be, do you think there will be a job loss more in the market? Economy will go down. So what are the macro factors impacting the customer if it is a B2C product, right? Will the companies will stop more of in terms of buying the products if it is a B2B, right? So all those market uncertainty or market complex market scenario you need to know before that. So that's why you can answer your question, let's build this. Most of the product folks tell that let's build it, but before that you should have understand the market thing, right? So it will give you urgency, and your timing is right? So insights, as I told you, behaviors, all area, how user actually wants before moving the rather than just looking for gaps. You see what are the gaps, current alternatives, what they are using. Don't they need any problem? They might be happy with the existing solution, right? So entirely you have to look for the insights in different angles. There can be multiple ways, but these are must, their behaviors, why the problem exists, right? There are a lot of frameworks to figure it out, right? So then we have requirements, how you write jobs to be done framework, user story, acceptance criteria, and input output flow diagram. So what are the inputs you are doing in the product, and then outputs you're getting, what the product, basically how the product will solve those problems. So yes, we have different prompts. We will use it, right? So we'll start with first lab. So guys, which product you want to select? So they are the two products I have, just thought of to start building on. So which product you want to start? Personal.
Personal finance.
So
Personal finance.
I'll put in chat. I'll stop my screen. Guys, open your this mail something, and we'll start using. I'll share the AI prompts. How we'll do it? I'll brief you out so it will be easy for everybody, and then you will see the entire wireframes, everything coming in, flowing together for your prompt, right? And follow this product. So when you start doing it after that, sometime yourself, then you have the right, metrics with your right AI prompts with you, right? Let me give you the product name, and just put me in chat which product you want to take, right? Because these are very, sort of two domain, which is like, grocery, which is very close to personal thing. Because first we understand things from the personal perspective, then we can implement easily, right? So let me put in the chat. Personal finance, good. So I have put in the chat, guys. Select any of it what you want. If you want to confirm in the chat, also good. So I will suggest, guys, everybody open their chat GPT. We'll start with simple chat GPT or purpose. Second, okay, yeah. You can write first and second anything, grocery. So I will take grocery being from a retail e-commerce and supply chain background, and I'll show you how to do it. And then we'll stop in between, and then we'll see how you are doing, and then we'll start it, right?
Can we
So
take
that,
personal finance or
yeah. You can take any in your. It's not that I will demonstrate for the grocery, but you can select in both of them, right? I will tell you how to change the prompt also, right? Because
okay?
prompt is not simple prompt. It is using some frameworks, right? So let me quickly jump on. Are you ready to start with your Perplexity and ChatGPT, guys? Please log in your laptop with ChatGPT or Perplexity. These are the two good tools. But I don't trust ChatGPT. Perplexity is best for me. For market research, guys, what is the first step we have to do? Anybody remember? What is the first step we have to do? We have to do first step. Anybody?
Problem.
So we have to what we have to do in terms of we have to generate the problem or we have to what to do? Anybody think?
Facing the problem is, I think, what I understood.
Okay. So let me
Because
quickly present to everybody so we are aware how we'll do it, right? So let me quickly present. Now you got the personal finance, very good. Vinny is doing personal finance, Nupur is doing personal problem hypothesis. Okay. Problem hypothesis we'll do later on, Nupur. First we'll identify the problem in particular, these two areas, right? That is the first step. Okay, let me quickly share how we'll do it. So we are on same understanding everybody how we are doing in our quick workshop today, right? Let me share my screen. Yeah. So let me know. I think it's visible to everybody, right? So guys, I have written the AI prompts and we'll share with you all, everybody, this link also. Let me share right now. Guys, don't delete anything. Just copy paste. I will tell you what to copy paste. This file is very big. Everything is not helpful. This is entire library. So use this and get into that sheet. I'll demonstrate which are the areas will go how, right? So I'll quickly demonstrate to everybody. Okay. Thanks. Guys, everybody don't wait. Get into the sheet. Get into the action. Now we are experimenting. We are trying to prototype and I have my prototype ready. You see, I have made the prototype, everything for you in advance. So we can have, quick there. So guys, get into the sheet. So guys, what we'll do first, folks, we'll do the generate the problem statement, right? So you put your product name here, XX where I have written. You put your finance, same. Don't put
okay,
personal. Yeah.
don't put personal finance.
Don't put personal finance. That's why I'm telling you. Put what is there written in the presentation. This personal finance tracking app.
So how do we get the presentation? Sorry.
No, you just select the name. Just the name you can select. I put in the chat this name,
Okay,
right?
personal finance tracking. Okay.
Yeah. Just believe. I have put in the chat here. If you see in the chat, the name is presented here. These are two names. Just copy paste and select one from your product, whatever you are doing it. So going back when you are starting with your AI prompts, uh, yeah, don't paste it here. Paste in your app builder. All right. So don't paste here. So you have to copy this prompt right from here to here, right? First. So how you will do it, and then first we'll generate the problem statement because there can be multiple problems. Yes and no. You cannot generate the hypothesis or anything what you want to build. We need to understand why now, right? So hold on, don't paste right now. Hold on, first listen to me. We'll do it together. Don't worry, don't hurry up. So go slow. Go slow. So then we'll create the persona for whom we are trying to solve the problem, right? It's very important. There are too many problems. For example, we went for the grocery problem and we find, okay guys, there are 10 problems. Now we have to understand for whom we are solving. Are we solving for the mothers or the females or the students or the any a particular segment? So we need to find the persona, not the segment, entire the person who represents, right? What is their goal, behavior, entire pain point, right? And then we identify what are the user stories. At this stage, people write user stories when the feature is done. No, before that, is very important for as a product manager. This is for you, for nobody, not Scrum team, not development. A lot of people are missing this section. They don't develop the user stories because the user, it tells you the pain points. Their jobs to be done framework is there. If you have done it, it helps you to understand what things, jobs they are doing, what tasks they are doing to solve that problem, right? So it's very important this step. What are the key stories? You can say what are the tasks they are doing right now to solve the problem. That's the intent, right? Then you start coming to your MVP feature, right? That's why it's an MVP, right? If you're building a new feature, then you generate your feature list and your requirements in terms. Then you create a flow diagram, right? Still, you are not getting into the building the product. See, so you are create a flow diagram and trying to step. What are the different steps are there? What are the blocking points are there? What are the stoppers on each step? Then you have to research and all that. Then you will generate to the step 6, which are a PRD. Whether you can put 1 page or 2 page, that is up to you. That's why I've written 2 page, 1 page here. But normally PRD for the senior folks is 1 page only. But for the development purpose, is always around 4 to 5 pages, right? And then finally, we'll do a prototype. So there are some of the tools I have written. If you can log into some of the tools right now, this is a very good tool, UX tool I have used in a lot of places. So you can use this and log in with your Gmail ID, guys. Copy this tool, guys, right now. Login, it will take a little bit time. Yes, it will be, I think, sync SSO from your Gmail, so you can log in. Copy this tool. I'll put in chat also, so it will help to quickly do the things. Okay, so I'll putting in chat. Use this tool, or I'll give you other one to also. So let's start. Somebody wants to volunteer for sharing the screen, or should I show you before I? Somebody wants to volunteer to show how their outputs are coming, or should I show you guys?
I think you can show us.
Okay, guys, no problem. So let me create a new chat. Let me close other windows so at least it not take a bandwidth. So how many people are doing grocery, guys? All have taken yes and no. Confirm me. All have taken yes and no, guys. I am waiting for your confirmation. Yes and no. Yes and no. Out of 18 people, how many no are there? Let me see. Because this is the hands-on you are learning, and this is very short. And when we do the program, it's very detailed. How do you do discovery? Not only with the AI, but only actual also, right? That's why it's very important, right? So let me quickly, guys, copy the first prompt now and put your product. That's the first step we do. And I will share my screen. Just let me close other window. There are a lot of stuff open. So I'm now sharing my screen to you folks, and then we'll see together how the things are flowing, and then it will ask the clarifying questions also, right? Okay, cool. So guys, this is quick prototyping, right? What we are doing? We are trying to see before going to any stakeholder, right? Somebody told you problem statement, and they told you let's build this, right? Because a lot of CXOs and all that, they are in hurry to build the product, right? So that's your journey to do it, right? So you just copy paste, right? Like this. My screen is hope everybody visible. So I'll remove the personal thing here, personal app. I'll put another product. So you can just copy paste the product, grocery tracking, or what was that slotting. I have taken the slotting problem, which is I'm solving right now for a customer. Now, so this problem is grocery delivery slot option. Basically, when you are in quick commerce and everything, you have to deliver the grocery to the people houses. So they have different slots, what time slot they have to fix. So this is the problem we are trying to fix it, and we'll copy paste just the problem thing, and you'll just see here also you can paste if you want, not required, but on top is also already there. When you execute this, you can use perplexity also, because right now perplexity was not giving good outputs for me. I don't know, I have to remove paid subscription or what. So if you see here, so everybody got this problem statement exactly like this. Are you using any other tool apart from ChatGPT, guys?
So we have to write grocery delivery slot optimization, right?
Yeah, and the top of that, if you see my screen here, Just in the product name, just put in bracket or without bracket also. That's it.
Okay.
So when you now, guys, let's assume now somebody asks, can we build this system? Can we improve this system? And you are new to that segment. You are new to that grocery and e-commerce and stuff or fintech stuff, right? So you quickly analyze anything and same. If you have you got it or no? Did you get that or no? Somebody asked
Yes,
me.
sir. Problem statement, we got it.
Okay, again, I will share my screen, no problem. So I'll again share my screen. I'll present in perplexity also, because perplexity is better sometimes. And because perplexity gives a lot of statement in terms of your research, which I told you, right? Now you can copy this, everybody.
Till PRD, right? Foundation for the PRD.
Yeah, till outcome, yes, foundation of the PID, only this prompt. And
Okay.
then, yeah, you go to perplexity or any tool, or I have written already foundation and personal finance, I will remove. Blah, blah. Okay, grocery and product name is this. You see, guys, what is this tool? These tools are happening us to do it fast, but we need to validate everything, right? Now, if you see, I'm doing the same thing in perplexity. One step I will show you. See, this all review 20 success. This is very important, the sources, right? If you see grocery shopper using online struggle to find, now you see the difference between two tools. It has reviewed 20 sources and it has given you
So,
only this output.
so only one output it has given me, sir.
Yeah,
Perplexity problem statement. That's it.
yes, that's why I'm trying to open the other tool and show you. But here the main thing is that if you see, these resources are very important, what they are getting, right?
No, sir,
This,
I'm not getting that, sir. I'm just in the perplexity only, I mean.
no,
But I
you
did
will
not
get
get
it.
that.
You will get the down and end of the output. You will get this. Are you, if you are a paid customer, I don't know if it is coming for everybody, but
No, sir,
this,
I'm not a paid customer, sir. That's why
so
it's
my,
giving only that.
yeah, might be, but see, this all research is very important, right? Which research is coming. So that's why even from the blogs, whatever is taking, it is taking PDF. So this is the main thing which is made next leap. Somebody has done in next leap that project. So they have done showing all everything, right? So that's the research piece of it. But when I jump to my, chat GPT part, it will core pain points, why it matters, why now, why now. This is the main thing, guys. Data driven decision making. We called it D3, data driven decision making. This is the data that will convince you people when you have a research also. Research link will also come. 20 to 40% year on year growth in most markets, right? So actionable measures and all that it is giving. Now you go to the next prompt, guys. Let's quickly jump to the next prompt. Now create a persona. Already you have given a product, but you can write the product again if it does not give you. So normally it is not required. Don't copy from step 2. Copy from only the prompt, right? Only the prompt is copy is required. So this is quick on, but there are a lot of things you have to learn as a product manager. How to do the persona, how to do a persona mapping. Let me quickly jump to ChatGPT only, right? So we will use that same product, grocery slot optimization, and then so to build the context to the LLM. So if you see the persona, and if you are in different country, your persona name will change, because right now what two things I have not given with geography, right? But based on your login, it will give you a lot of local contents, right? Goal, behavior. Are you getting this? Everybody getting these pain points? Till here, everybody got it? Yes or no?
So 1 minute, sir, I'm doing it.
Okay. So here you just go and copy paste. So these are very simple. Only the prompts are written in very simple. There are 2-3 prompt styles. I'll give you the prompt guide also. If you have not received, anybody has received the prompt guide in email, I have asked to share to everybody. Please join the WhatsApp group also. If you have not joined, the prompt guide can be shared there also. I will share there on. So everybody is done with persona.
Yes, a user persona I'm getting is Aisha Khan, age 34, location Dubai, Mumbai, Singapore.
Yes. So now when you do a persona, now the third step is that you do it entire their user stories. Now, why this user story is important this time, as I told you, this is very important to understand your persona as a time best shopper. See, now, no, you are not going to anybody. You are only doing the research yourself, right? What the user is trying to do, it is explaining in a simple term. That's the use of AI tool. Earlier, you were thinking one or two things and assuming others. Now, the AI tool gives you a lot of aspects: slot availability, transparency, personalization, peak hour optimization as a peak hour shopper, right? So it is giving you a lot of options, right? And when your AI prompt is good, so you have to learn the prompt engineering. In our program, we'll teach you a little bit of prompt engineering basics. That's also start blowing. So it is very important to learn this. So now delivery. So these stories are actionable, measurable, and MVP ready. See, so that's why prompt is very important, even if you're using any tool, right? So it helps to release the slot optimization. Everybody got this? Yes and no. I'll stop here for a while and ask everybody is done with 3 stories or no. Anybody has any challenge coming, or we are good?
So, that I got it, sir. Actionable insight. After that, what I have to do, sir? Pain
Action.
point.
Yeah, pain point. Then you copy third prompt. Have you copied the third prompt? Everybody, yes and no, guys. Third done. Yes and no. Tell me yes and
One.
no.
Third, sir, for user stories.
Yes. Identify user stories. This done. Yes and no. Just put
No,
in
sir.
chat. Yes, do it.
No,
Do
sir.
it. I am doing it. Yes. Step three, guys. Because this after this, I will take a quick explanation. It's not only AI tool using how to use which framework. All. Yes. Okay. Identify key stories. Everybody done.
No, sir. Just give me a moment. I'm doing
Sure,
it.
sure, sure, sure. Do it. Smile doing. Okay, good, good. So, guys, after we are doing, so now tell me, Ajit has also done. Yes, good, 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 Abhishek. So now tell me why we need this persona right now. Why we are looking these user stories and all that stuff, right? I told you the reasoning, but do you think this story which is coming to your screen will help you? How can anybody wants to share the screen? Because that's the important, a lot of people miss it. Nobody does a user story at starting of the problem identification. They do it when they are building the feature. Do you agree? Yes and no. This tell me, do you agree that you are doing the user stories when we okay, Smile, you're presenting, no problem, please present. Yeah,
Yes, sir. You can see, sir.
it's coming a little while. I think not visible yet. I think you need to present your screen.
I have done that, sir.
Stop sharing. Present particular entire screen. Sometimes only one screen comes up, right?
Okay. I said entire only, sir.
Try to reshare. No problem.
Okay,
Anybody
sir.
wants? Yeah, anybody can try. So we'll see everybody. Yeah, go to your screen. Okay. Oh, it's not coming. No, we can't see your screen. At least I can't. Anybody can see his screen?
Okay.
No, no
Mm,
problem. Yeah. Anybody
okay.
wants to share who has done it? User stories. Please share, guys. We'll quickly jump on because already we are,
I
Abhishek. Okay,
created
yeah,
for personal finance tracking app, and
yeah, yeah. Please show,
how
please show.
how do I share my screen?
Yeah, yeah. Simple. That's why Google tool is easy. Yeah. So you are using ChatGPT, correct?
Yeah.
So, guys, do you agree that we create these user stories primarily at the dev time when we are building the feature? Has anybody developed before that? Yes and no.
So
Has
these are the
any?
use.
Yeah. How these user stories will help you? Guys, speak up. I'm pushing you to speak.
So I know. I mean, I'm
It
hardly
will,
reading it. Yeah. Sorry, go ahead. Go on, speak. Yeah.
yeah, it will give us the basic idea like what was the real problem which user is facing. So we can, uh, the user story will be created to define the problem with the, each particular independent development for the developer.
No, this time user story is giving you insights because you might be new or existing domain. Because when you are in existing domain, a lot of bias happen, right? And when you are new to domain, you don't know too much. So these are you giving either insights from different angles. No development, nothing. We are not doing anything till now. We have not developed the MVP also, right? So user story, this helps you how the user is solving or doing that particular task. For example, he has given one problem. First, as a young professional, what is that story? See, try to understand the importance. Until unless we don't understand, then it is not used, right? So it is giving you entire context, right?
Right.
Yes. So let me quickly share my screen and share with you also. So then we'll move ahead and next to the next part. Let me share now, right? So now I'm sharing my screen to everybody. If you see quick my screen, I'll cut those snap window. See, use a story for grocery who are doing grocery or anything. Slot available. Slot availability. As a time press, I want to secure real-time delivery before the checkout. See, so I do not waste time adding items. So this is the problem user is solving, guys. Try to understand, because when you are analyzing the competition app, you will see that how they are solving this problem. That's why these stories are important, right? From this angle you have to see, so that I can choose the best slot. See, slotting. Customer wants to slot the delivery their house. They don't want to get any time. They're slotting. So I can plan my delivery without missing. So these are the tasks that they are solving, right? So that's why it is important. Now quickly we'll jump to other yes. Let's move to other step 4, generate feature list. So now we'll copy and generate the feature list and quickly iterate, because we have to show to our stakeholder who asked us to build this, right, end to end. Now quickly I will jump and do it in front of you, and go do it, guys. Don't worry, because this is AI tool. It will not make mistake or something. You are doing, you're learning. So now MVP feature set. See, it is given based on your user 7 problems or something you decide. MVP feature set. This is a feature set. See the heading. It's very important. It is not a MVP scope. They have told you MVP feature set. And then it has asked you description, input, output. Because if you don't have data, you cannot build those. Rules, everything, the prompt you decide, it gives you everything, right? Now, dynamic slot optimization. See, so entire summary you can see in terms of user stories. And now you can use a lot of prioritization metrics, which I have not used, but we'll learn in the program and we'll do it, right? But here, see, if you go to the next, now you can create a flow diagram, right? Simply act as a product manager. Okay, somebody has copied. Yes. So if you copy it, now it will give you a text. How you will create a flow diagram? Anybody knows any tool which is a AI tool which can create your flow diagram easily? It has given you a code. Now this RIA opens the app. How you will make this quick diagram? Anybody?
Data.io.
No,
Napkin, I think.
no. Tell me any tool which I don't need to any do. I am lazy guy.
Napkin.
Napkin does not give you prompt written. Tell me tool, guys. I'm writing for you. Tell me the tool which is ready to give me quick diagram with text. I don't have any time. I have a
So
30
like
minutes.
UI UX for prototyping and wireframe.
Are we creating wireframe? No. What
Sorry.
we are doing?
Okay.
Yes, that's why we are no problem. We are creating user flow.
Okay.
So the thing to you should have all the tools ready with you, and knowledge, experience, and everything. These are very basics, right? So for example, I have written this user tool. They're nothing.
But in ChatGPT, it is not coming that. Oh,
So I use this normally, sometimes creating diagram for that. So it is very easy. So you just copy paste the code and go to there and create image. Simple. But you have to check the flow, Nano Banana, because this Nano Banana is very good, LLM. If you see and check it, the outputs are very good and very accurate. Some of the tools in Perplexity, they are wrong, giving spelling mistake, lot of tools, right? See, we asked the flow diagram, right? So it has given this thing. 1, 2. So basically, I'm telling you, whatever flow that is given, try to visualize. Don't present to the user to that. So it is telling add to the cart, proceed, system, real-time slotting, display. And if slot is full system, so you have to create a activity diagram in this. So user flow activity diagram you have to create. So use some
Sir,
tool.
So it's saying detailed flow chart with branches. You want me to put that one?
Yeah, if you have any AI tool, you can build it, which is from AI text driven.
Okay.
Right now, I can't remember any AI tool, but I have been using this because this is more than helpful for me to visualize. Right now, I'm not showing to any user, right? This is for me to visualize. Now, as a product manager, I'll quickly go and jump on to my next step, create a PRD. Let's create a PRD, guys, quickly. So we'll create a PRD here. And yeah.